have to go in the middle of the city. They don't have another way to go to Bicol city proper. So it will cause a lot of traffic. Slow. But they have that like an expressway.
Overpass.
Yeah. High bridge.
Overpass from our house to Bicolante.
Oh, just put some hovercraft.
Yeah, overpass from our house to Bicolante.
Yeah.
No metal contraptions.
No, stop. Maybe they should have like a expressway, you know, like America.
Yeah. Oh. Yes, smart.
Pagbilao pala to. We are still in Pagbilao. I love Pagbilao. Pagbilao Quezon.
Bayan ng Pagbilao.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Bye-bye Pagbilao. Peninsula going to Bicol. Siyempre. Woo! Mount Peninsula. Oh, blind spot yan. No, hindi kalbo, kalabaw.
Oh, I got
Ata yung guling yung kalbo ate amin yung kalbo ka.
I didn't hear.
Kalbong kalabaw. And namin is kalabaw is kalbo. Oh, nakalbong kalabaw. Ay, pangit. Ugly roads.
Kalabaw ng kalbo. Kalbo ang kalabaw. Bilis yan takbo.
Oh! Si RJ. RJ telling him, shh. Naghahanap ng magandang grabe naman road yan. Ano yan? That's bad sa ano? That's really bad. Yung one following track. Oh yan, kalbo yan. Gugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudug. Diba yan?
Walang kuryente dito.
I think going to Tagaytay is worse than this.
Tighter.
Kalabaw na kalbo. Ako'y hinihiga sa iyo. Ah! Bushes. Ihi. Wow. Mahaba pa yan. Oo. Ayun, ang ganda o sa doon. That's cute.
Pag yung bato nga gumuho.
Yung bato ay gumulong, hindi kasama yung bato. Ay, bahay.
Si Ate Mita nag-miss call.
Si?
Ate Mita.
Siguro dinadalig na. Wala, umuwi si Toto.
Tapos kung mountain yun. this road is a little safer. That's high, guys. If you guys see that in person, that's really high. Yeah, blight na. Oh, this is nice in here now. Nice, nice. It's a little better now. It's like a volcano, but it's not a volcano. They corrected you, Mixer. Maybe he's gonna squish you. Right. Oh, malaki yan. Oh, malaki. Another one, another one. Kawawa truck, kawawa truck. Kawawa truck.
Crazy.
Wow. We stopped here at Lopez, trying to get some dinner before we hit the diet. Because right, it's only Lopez to the diet. Wala nang restaurant, there's no more restaurant, so we have to eat over here before we get to our destination. It's too traffic and the road is ugly. See you guys later. Bye bye. Here to the everybody's favorite. What's that? Jollibee. Jollibee, Jollibee, Jollibee. Ah. Jollibee. Customer service. All right, Miss Joanne. Oh. Why siya? What's your favorite? Yeah. Super ba to? Your favorite.